BTH shit, man. You already know what it is, man. Church. What I say?
Yeah, niggas think they own, get knocked off.
Yeah.
Kid dope, hard as fuck, we don't call it soft. Niggas get shot twice, then they call it off.
Okay.
Shit, thought a nigga wouldn't go there. Bro left a hole in his head, he tryna grow hair. I can't leave the track, cause it's both there. Yeah, we in the game, I know the ref, we don't play fair. If my bitch ever try to leave, she gotta stay there. Yeah. She probably still fag off, playing with the dope, snorting coke, took her ass off. Bro paid so much for his coat, won't take his tag off. Nigga, I really stab you and stab off. Yeah, I'm in the trap and I'm closed in. Broke niggas with pretty bitches, keep your hoes in. Fucking 2 hoes, quick posted on his close friends. Shot a nigga like Rico, we was close friends. I'm just playing, but it depends. If you tryna get me going, see where it's gon' end. I'm ducking the landlord, I'm tired of paying rent. And shot the K 100 times in the barrel bin. I walk in the crib, ain't gotta lock the door. What you think they made automatic locks for? What you think we got automatic Glocks for? Take a guess what we really on they block for.
I'm getting to it, what the fuck I'm finna stop for? Niggas said they getting money, but they off stuff. Niggas said he fucking with me, but they not close. I do the dash on the bitch and say adios. I go hit the road quick and bring them back quick. Niggas always talk that money shit, ain't bout shit. I pull up, where you at? What you tryna get? Feeling like a blind man, I'm always walking with a stick. Boy got popped cause he was reaching for his fucking head. Nigga used to be gang, why the fuck the nigga switch? Nigga used to be solid, how the fuck you fucking snitch? You niggas goofy, them the type that I ain't fucking with. I showed up with 60,000, feeling like a fucking creep. I showed up with a chopper, looking like a pogo stick. Riding with a shotgun, that's how it really gets. You was just a one-hit wonder, that's a hit or miss. Nigga, you be broke as fuck, you ain't getting chips. I could put a bitch on the blade, that means she getting sent. I just scored a touchdown today, the message getting sent. I just relayed all the cash, that mean it's getting spent.